the snap. Not all productivity looks alike. Please, let's not look at someone else who's banging out their to-do list, managing all of these tasks, and getting things done as the ideal for what you need to do towards your productivity. Your productivity has to work for you. It should be rooted in your own value system, because if it's rooted in your value system, then you will connect with it and make your best effort to actually get things done. It helps you understand why you do the things you do in the time that you do it. It helps you align to what matters to you, your preferences, and the way you do things, your own expectations, and the outcomes and goals you have for yourself. We all know that values are how we define our life. And the minute we start attempting to do or manage productivity like someone else, we have to ask ourselves, does this align with our value system? Because if it doesn't, it's not going to work. The reason why your productivity must align with your values is also because the values we have help us make the decisions, helps us make a determination on what we want to do when. They're the goalpost, they're the guiding star, they're the thing that gets us going. If we don't attach our tasks, our time, our productivity to what we believe, then you gotta know this is why things aren't getting done. Now, granted, some of us have that ability, but at some point, when you come off of that productivity trap, that wheel, you'll realize something feels disconnected. And that's because you haven't attached your productivity process to your value system.